Hi, and welcome to Red Fox Education. This quiz is all about what Red Fox likes and doesn't like. There will be 10 rounds, and in each round you must decide if Red Fox likes or doesn't like something. I will then answer yes, he likes it, or no, he doesn't like it. Good luck and have fun. Number 1. Does Red Fox like playing football? Yes, he likes it. Number 2. Does Red Fox like ice cream? Yes, he likes it. Number 3. Does Red Fox like sunny weather? No, he doesn't like it. Number 4. Does Red Fox like his friends Ariane and Tiffany? Yes, he likes them. Number 5. Does Red Fox like to go swimming? No, he doesn't like it. Number 6. Does Red Fox like noodles? No, he doesn't like it. Number 7. Does Red Fox like to go to the park? Yes, he likes it. Number 8. Does Red Fox like to watch TV? No, he doesn't like it. Number 9. Does Red Fox like to go to school? Yes, he likes it. Number 10. Does Red Fox like to play with dogs? Yes, he likes it. Well done!